So hello guys, what's up? Welcome to Prime Trades, and today we are going to do compounding with $10. So here we have taken our first full amount trade. So today we will try to do compounding with $10. Let's hope to do like 4 to 5 step compounding. Our target is like $100 plus. Here we have taken up direction trade. Here our buyers are fully active, that's why we have taken on up direction trade. Look here, buyers have given pressure, that's why we have taken up direction, and this candle will be 100% profit. So here it's going on profit and it's got win. And let's wait for the trade to be closed, and it's arrived to our entry point. Let's place the trade here. Look, from here it's the fully entry point. As from here the color changing level has started, that's why we have chosen this entry point. Look here, a gap can be spotted. They has given close to the round number, so this weak level will not cover. So from top to bottom, besides all round numbers, only on these 3 round numbers buyers are fully active. As buyers are fully active, this candle will close upper from the entry point. As our analysis got 100% match, and that's why we have taken full amount trade. After noticing buyers movement, we have taken up direction trade here. Here we got profit. Look here guys, as I told, it will close up from the entry point. No matter candle will go green or red, it will close upper from the entry point. So guys, as we told on our previous video that we will do a $10 giveaway to a random commentator. So let's find him. Okay, we got here 31 commentators. Let's draw. And the winner is Shihab Khan. You are genius man, thanks bro. Just have a screenshot of your comment and message me on Telegram and get your giveaway. And it got win. From here, okay, let's take down direction trade here. Trade, oh, trade not placing on 100%. Let's take on 99%. Look here, on first 30 seconds buyers have given rejection. As sellers has entered, that's why this candle got down. As sellers were fully on round number level, and as our previous candle was also red, that's why we have taken down direction on same entry point. I know that it will be 100% win, that's why I used full amount, and it will be a sure profit. We are doing candle by candle compounding. We are doing compounding with full amount. And here we have taken up direction trade. The reason behind on taking up direction is on this round number level buyers are fully active. On this week shifting level, our candle will be upper from the entry point. I can challenge the market that this candle will go upper from the entry point. As this is on buyer's entry point, that's why I have taken on up direction. And look here guys, as I told, it goes up and it will be a sure profit. And if it goes win, our balance will be like $117. As we told first that we will do compounding with $10, and it's happening. And like that we do tournaments and compoundings on our Telegram channel. If you guys want to join like $10 to $1000 tournament or $20 to $2000 tournament, join first guys. Here we do tournaments every week. And that's all for today guys, see you in the next video.